Meaning of hill.
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 Hill. The word hill generally refers to a naturally raised area of land that is typically lower and less steep than a mountain. Hills are often characterized by their gentle slopes and rounded peaks, and they can be found in many different geographies, from grassy plains to rugged wilderness regions. These geological features can form over time as a result of erosion, tectonic activity, or volcanic processes. Hills can also serve as important landmarks or scenic locations, and they are often used for recreational activities such as hiking, camping, or mountain biking.